Hi guys, Steph here. So today I would like to show you my second attempt at Japanese lacquering of a fountain pen. So without further ado, let's take the top off like so, pop that to one side, open this lovely outer box, and let's take this lovely box inside here. Pop that to one side, and look at that, we've got this lovely lacquered box inside for the pen to sit in. Let's open it up, and there we have it, the lovely Japanese lacquered fountain pen. Let's take it out of the box and pop the box to one side, and there's this gorgeous fountain pen. What we have here is a Roiro-Nuri fountain pen, or a Japanese lacquered pen in, well, if you like, in standard black colour. Now basically what I actually did, I used a base, well, numerous base coats, I used numerous intermediate coats, and then what we did, we gave it a top coat, or top coats should I say, and I actually did run out of how many coats I actually gave this pen, and finally I used the Uwazuri technique for polishing this gorgeous pen. And what we did, we used Migako powder to polish the pen, and then applied numerous coats of Kijomi Urushi on top of that, and then gave it a final polish. And there we have it, and that's the result, and I'm quite proud of it. There we go. Let's give you a couple of sort of close-ups of the pen. You can see the finish there is absolutely lovely. You can see we've got a chrome clip to the very top there, which I think matches this black colour very nicely indeed. And then if we just unscrew the cap for you and give you some of the customary twirls of the pens as we normally do, let's show you this section there, quite a long section, and what we have to the top there is a lovely number 6 Jowo nib. There's the feed underneath, and you can see it's absolutely lovely. A lovely size pen. This pen capped is approximately 152 millimeters capped in diameter at the broadest sort of piece of the barrel here, approximately 14 millimeters capped, sorry, not capped, in diameter, and it's a lovely comfortable fountain pen to hold and to use. The pen inside is fitted with a international converter, so it's ready for the customer to write with his favourite ink. Okay, and there we go. Let's show you again as close as possible. I'm quite happy with the finish. As I say, lots of coats of lacquering, lots of polishing in between, and final polishing with, as we said, Migako powders or powder, finished with Kijomi lacquer until the finish was to my liking. There we go, absolutely stunning pen, and as I say, I'm over the moon with it. It's a pen that I just wanted to simply try this standard Roiro-Nuri technique because I wanted to practice the Uwazuri polishing technique as well. Although saying that, it still took me quite an amount of time, quite a lot of layers of lacquer, but in the end, after persevering, it came out absolutely beautiful. So there we have it. That's my second attempt at Japanese Urushi in Roiro-Nuri. Again, finished with Uwazuri polishing technique. A beautiful pen. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at this pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below. It'd be interested to see what your thoughts are. Have you subscribed? Please subscribe. But from this lovely pen, I'll just simply say bye bye for now.